Hi, I'm personal injury attorney Jeff Adelman. One of the most frustrating conversations that I have with my clients is when there are really bad injuries and not enough insurance coverage. And the client says to me, well, can we go after the defendant personally? Well, in Florida, the answer is generally no. And the reason why is the Homestead Law that Florida has, which makes people's real property where they live virtually untouchable to creditors. There's a reason why a lot of criminals in the 1920s and even O.J. Simpson moved to Florida for the homestead protection. So I want to talk a little bit about that now. Article 10, Section 4 of Florida's Constitution lays out the criteria for homestead protection. This protection prevents citizens from forced sale of their homes under process of any court. The only entities that can pierce the homestead protection of a property are the government for failing to pay your taxes, a bank for failure to pay your mortgage payments, or contractors who've done work on your home, and that's called a mechanic's lien. Just owning property in Florida is not enough to qualify for this protection. You must establish the property as your domicile, meaning your main residence. To qualify property for homestead, a sworn statement must be filed with the circuit court of the county the person resides within, showing that the person lives within that county and that the person's intent is to maintain his or her permanent home there. Homestead protection is different for land inside and outside a municipality. For rural land outside of a municipality, a landowner is provided protection for 160 contiguous acres of land. For land within a municipality, a landowner can only receive homestead protection for 1/2 acre of contiguous land to use as a residence for the owner or the owner's family. Another advantage to filing for homestead is that Florida citizens receive a $25,000 tax credit for qualifying property. This is a good reason as well to file your property as homestead with the county if you've not already done so. So what I would tell you if you live in Florida is to protect yourself and your family from judgments or debts. It is clearly in your best interest to make sure that the proper paperwork is filled out with the county. If an owner of property passes away, the homestead protection passes down to their spouse or their children. If your property qualifies and you have not filed for this essential status, you should contact your property appraiser's office. In Broward County, that's at 115 South Andrews Avenue, room 111-F, and the phone number is 954-357-6830. But it would be the same process in any county. So if you have any additional questions about homestead, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Jeff Adelman with the law offices of Brotman, Nussbaum, Ibrahim, and Adelman, and I can be reached at 561-417-5656, or you can email me at jeff@lawbni.com. Thank you.